So, how did I do this? Well, I did the video using an application called Adobe Express. Now, instead of using PowerPoint, which if you want to use PowerPoint for this task, go ahead. It's an easy application. You know how to use it. However, if you use Adobe Express, you can do exactly what I've just done. And I suggest try and challenge yourself, try something new. And you might think, well, why do I need to create a video if I'm going to be a hairdresser? Well, because if you're running your own business and you have to do self-promotion, you will always get more hits and likes and more impact with your customers if you use video rather than using text or just a graphic or an advert on Facebook or something like that. So being able to produce your own short, very concise videos that last a few seconds long will capture the audience's attention, and that means more clients for you. So that's why video is important. And you can do that in Adobe Express for free. A business person being a hairdresser, having those tools for free means less cost. So brilliant for you. And also you might be working in a hairdresser's where they're very social media obsessed. And if you can show you can use that, that's another string to your bow, more employment credentials, greater opportunities, that sort of thing. So try and have a go with Adobe Express if you want to. If you don't and you want to use PowerPoint, go ahead. But this video will now show you how to create that video, and I'll do it very quickly so it won't take up too much time. Okay, take care. Okay, so once you've logged in, and you should have seen the video on how to register an account with Adobe, you'll be overwhelmed with everything. So all you need to do is click on video, then go down to this option here, create from scratch. And then on the left-hand side, it'll have media. Type in hairdressing, or look for some video that you think is appropriate. And there we go. That's 22 seconds long, far too long. So what I'll do is I'm going to drag that slider all the way down to make it just 3 seconds or just about. And then click play. There you go. And then what you can do is click text, add your text here. I'll put hairdressing is fun. And then I change the color. So I highlight, go down to, let's just click on that. That's it. Go down to black, change that to white. And there you go. Voila, you've got your very first slide. Now, if you want some music to go with that, just click media, click audio, and then I'm going to have that. So we'll drag that down. Ta-da! First slide. So to add the second slide in, go to media, videos, hairdressing, or whatever you want. I'm going to pick, I don't know, someone washing the hair. Drag that down. Oops, sorry, did that wrong. We'll just go back to media, videos, drag that over here. And there it is, the second one. So we'll bring that all the way down, again about 3 seconds. And then if I do play, there you go. And then you can add text over that one again if you want. Just do add your text there. Washing hair, highlight it. Oops, you can move it about. You can see it's there's lots and lots of options. Just have a play with it. You're not creating a masterpiece, you're creating an experimental video that you're trying out new skills. There we go. Slide 1, so that could be shorter. Slide 2. So when you've finished, you need to click download. Just click download there. And when you've finished, upload your download to OneDrive, create a link to your OneDrive and add your linked URL to your Word document, and then upload that to the assignment. So download it, then place on your OneDrive, create a shared link, place the link in a Word document, and then upload that to the assignment in Elements. And it's explained on the Elements page. So there you go. Good luck. I hope you do well, and have fun.